Do you feel annoyed and helpless due to your suspicious nature? You know very well that your partner is committed and loyal, still, either you directly blame them based on your assumptions or keep looking for some evidence against them so that you could prove to yourself that your doubt was legit, even if you want to save the relationship. Today's video is for you. If you are looking to know the scientific reason behind your suspicious nature, I will also suggest some strategies and new behaviors to practice to save your relationship. Welcome everyone. My name is Ria and I am a certified mental health professional. My specialty is to help people overcome mental and emotional health issues using neuroscience based information, tips, techniques, and skills. I think all of us will agree that doubt is a silent killer that can creep into even the strongest relationships, causing couples to question everything they thought they knew about each other. It's a feeling that can be overwhelming, confusing, and quite scary. But the good news is that with right mindset and strategies, you can protect your relationship from doubt before it's too late. Now, the fact is that traumatic experiences in past are the one who amplify doubt in relationships. Experiences such as betrayal, abandonment, and emotional neglect in earlier relationships, even during childhood, can leave deep scars. These wounds often manifest difficulty trusting others, fear of being vulnerable, or constant worry that history will repeat itself. For instance, if you have been betrayed by a former partner, you may carry a heightened sensitivity to perceive signs of dishonesty in the current relationship. Means you will look at normal life relationships in doubtful manner and create a negative meaning to support your own suspicious thought. Similarly, individuals who experienced emotional neglect or inconsistent love during childhood, they may struggle to believe that their partner love is consistent, unconditional, and stable. This lingering influence of trauma can magnify even small uncertainties, turning normal relationship challenges into full blown cries of doubt. Understanding this connection is the first step addressing and in overcoming it. While past traumas can complicate trust and communication, it doesn't mean you are destined to struggle forever. So, here are some practical ways and strategies to address the root cause of doubt and rebuild trust. First one is acknowledge the impact of trauma. Recognizing how your past experiences are shaping your present feelings. This is a crucial step. Journaling or reflection how past events might influence your reaction to current situation can be enlightening. Once you understand this connection, you can approach your feelings with more compassion instead of self-criticism. Try to recognize your triggers and trail of thoughts after you observe something in your partner. Question your triggers and thoughts instead of trusting them and acting on them impulsively. Remind and repeat the facts of current situation which is triggering you. Do not act on it. At this stage, you are going to feel very uncomfortable and angry. Earlier, this anger was towards partner, and now it will be directed at yourself for having these suspicious thoughts. Just acknowledge and accept these thoughts as it is. Remind yourself, how did you learn this suspicious behavior? Where is coming from? Remind yourself the damage done to you by one person in the past. Keep talking to yourself in encouraging manner and keep tolerating this uncomfortable feeling and irrational thoughts. So you can talk something like this: it's okay to feel this way due to my own history, but I don't have to keep holding the past and negative belief. My partner have proven his loyalty many times. I choose to let go my weakness and trust his actions. I choose to trust my wisdom instead of trusting trauma generated symptom. It's all good and everything is okay. Second way is communicate with your partner with openness, and it's a very important skill to practice. It's very common people do not share their struggle of suspicious thoughts for a long time with their partner. They keep suppressing it and hiding from them until one day they just explode, which can be traumatic for the partner. This kind of behavior ruin all beautiful moments and trust built together in relationship until now. So it is advised, share your struggle and fears with your partner in a calm and open manner. Use I statements to express how certain situations or behaviors trigger doubt. For example, I feel anxious when you suddenly change your plans, and it reminds me of the times when I was let down in the past. Such conversations can foster empathy and help your partner better understand your needs. You can also say something like, how can we handle these kind of situations differently so that I don't get triggered? You can also put yourself in their shoes and ask yourself, what would I have done to manage this kind of situation without triggering my partner? Third strategy is recognizing that building the trust can take time. So take time to build the relationship and build the trust without forcing yourself and judging them. Work on building an organic relationship with sharing your trust and weaknesses at same time. It's a step by step process. So start by recognizing in small achievable way how reliability, consistency and trust has been shown. Another important step is write down each experience when your suspicious thought was proven wrong and trust was maintained. Write more about that experience in detail, such as what were you expecting and why. Question your why. Most of the time you will find that there is no other reason in current situation other than you looking back in the past. So question yourself that at what point I will start living in present and my current reality. Such kind of mental grilling contribute to awareness and consciousness. More aware you are, you will be less likely to repeat same mistake. It may not go away right away, but you will find it is becoming easier not to react negatively inside and outside. I hope you are enjoying and learning from this video, so it will make sense if you like and subscribe so that you continue receiving my videos without looking for them. So fourth strategy is work on self-healing. This is very important. There is no way anyone can become their best without working on self-healing. But healing past wounds require personal effort. Just acknowledging and talking is not enough. You would need to recognize your wounds and start taking baby steps to build the ability to trust others. You may not know all overnight, and you may not change just like that, but you will find a gradual shift in your mindset and interpretation of events. Some techniques such as mindfulness, trauma-informed counseling, EMDR, all of them can help you rewrite brain's responses to triggers and foster emotional resilience. So self-healing will help you build healthy relationship with yourself, which will get manifested in building healthy and happy relationship with others as well. Now, another important skill to build is learning to challenge your negative thought patterns. Past trauma often installs negative beliefs such as I cannot trust anyone, or something is going to get wrong, or some gender oriented beliefs like men or women cannot be trusted. Now, way to get rid of those negative patterns is practice challenging these thoughts by focusing on evidences from the present moment instead of old pattern. This is challenging and confusing skill, so it may be hard to do it on your own. Attending cognitive behavioral therapy or trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy with a therapist can be helpful here. Sixth and most important step can be seeking professional support and learning things faster instead of paying the price and suffering every day. Working with a trained and experienced therapist, especially one who is trained in trauma-focused therapies, can help you and your partner navigate the emotional complexities caused by suspicious nature. Whether through individual therapy or couple counseling, professional guidance provide a safe space to process unresolved pain and create a healthier foundation. A real life transformation may require healing together. I don't do couple counseling now, but I used to in the past, and I have many stories to share. But one of them in this moment coming my mind is of a couple where female had experienced betrayal in previous relationship, and she found herself constantly doubting her partner's commitment despite his efforts to reassure her. Partner, on the other hand, had grown up in a family where emotions were rarely expressed, making it challenging for him to offer the emotional reassurance this female partner was needing. Instead of letting their past experience tear them apart, they decided to work together with me, and we had a lot of homework, many things to explore, and she got to recognize her triggers, and she also practiced grounding techniques to manage her anxiety and suspicious thoughts in the moment. Partner learned to become emotionally open and learn to validate the concerns without getting defensive. Over a period of time, they built a strong connection, proving that love and trust can flourish when both partners are willing to grow together. Conclusively, doubt is normal part of every relationship, especially when past trauma is involved. But it doesn't have to dictate your future. What about you? Have you struggled with doubt or trauma in your relationships? Share your journey or questions in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Share with us what worked for you. Thank you for joining me on this little journey today. Bye for now. Take care.